Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 5th of January 2024. I'll be going over my weekly review of the SPY front testing strategy of the days open versus previous day close. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. So on the 30th, we had a sell signal giving us a loss of 0.058% or $588.06. On the 31st, we had a buy signal giving us another loss of 0.649% or $6,798.25 USD, bringing our cumulative portfolio return down to 4.594% and our alpha down to minus 15.364%. On the 2nd of January, we had a buy signal giving us a huge loss of 8,383.75 USD or 0.805%. And finally, on the 3rd, we had we had a profit of 7,765.94 USD or 0.749%. So after this week, our alpha decreased from minus 16.163% to minus 16.426%, and our cumulative portfolio return went from 5.301% to 4.538%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.